fascinating intersection of science and technology and society. This interdisciplinary field examines the intricate relationships between scientific advancement and their impact on our daily lives.
So, today we will dive into a thought-provoking topic, human flourishing as conceptualized by the ancient thinker Aristotle. Aristotle insights on ethics and the good life continue to resonate in contemporary discussion about well-being and societal progress.
Now, without further ado, let's kick things off with our first question, which will be answered by Marvick Escala.
So, hello ma'am, good evening.
Good evening.
So, this is my question number 6. So, what role should ethics, culture, and spirituality play?
For me, ethics, culture, and spirituality are essential for ensuring that science and technology contribute to human flourishing, not hinder it. Ethics provide a framework for responsible innovation and use of technology. Culture shapes our understanding of well-being and influences our values, while spirituality provides a sense of purpose and meaning beyond material achievements. Integrating this perspective is crucial for harnessing the benefits of science and technology while mitigating their potential harms.
So, ma'am, thank you for your answer.
Thank you. Alright, here we go. Let's move to the next question. And Ma'am Akot, here's your question. What is scientificism and how does it differ from the scientific method or science itself?
Scientism is the belief that science is only reliable source of knowledge and everything can be explained through scientific method and principles.
Alright, thank you very much, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Here's your question number 3. How has scientism influenced our definition of human successful and well-being?
Okay, here's my answer. Science is a process of inquiry and investigation, constantly evolving and open to revision. Scientism is a contrast in ideology that elevates science to the only valid source of knowledge, attempting to govern all aspects of life solely by scientific principle. This is subjective experiences, values, and spiritual dimension, offering an incomplete and in potential harmful view of human flourishing.
Okay, sir. Thank you to your
Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening, Miss Madera. This is my question for you. So, can science and technology alone guarantee human flourishing? Why or why not?
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Trody Jane S. Madera. This is my answer. Science and technology can significantly contribute to human flourishing, but they alone cannot guarantee it. Human flourishing requires the balance of scientific progress, social connections, emotional intelligence, personal growth, and meaningful relationships, as well as consideration of ethics, inequality, and human values.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's your question. Can science and technology guarantee flourishing?
And for me, no, because science and technology alone cannot guarantee human flourishing. So while the people, tools, and knowledge, their impact depends on ethical choices and societal values technological. So advancement without ethical guidance can exacerbate existing problems or create new ones. A holistic approach is needed, integrating scientific progress with ethical consideration, cultural sensitivity, and spiritual awareness.
Thank you very much, ma'am,
Thank
for
you,
your
ma'am.
wonderful answer.
And here's the conclusion about human flourishing by Aristotle. Human flourishing thrives on balancing science and technology with ethics, culture, and spirituality. While innovation improves well-being, and check reliance on material progress risks neglecting relationships, purpose, and meaning. True flourishing merges reason, virtue, and societal values with responsible technological advancement to foster holistic well-being.